Good morning, dear students. As you know that today is Thursday and our maths class is there. So at the last class we completed exercise 2.1. I think you understood very well. Okay. So now we will start exercise 2.2. The first question is add the following integers. It means you have to add the following integers. So there are four questions. So I will solve, just see how to add the integers. Negative 19 and 6. Negative 19, add means plus and 6. Okay, then one is negative and one is positive. If one is negative and one is positive, then we will subtract both of these. 19 minus 6, then the result is 13. But the negative number is more than, it means 19 is more than 6, so the symbol is negative. This is your answer. Okay, any doubt? Next, the B1, positive 10 and add, and minus 8, then positive 10 plus minus, positive and negative is always negative, one positive and one negative, again we have to make subtraction, 10 minus 8, then 2. Now the positive is more than negative number, 10 is more than 8, so the symbol is positive. Okay, this is your answer. Next, negative 16 and negative 9, both are negative. Negative 16 plus negative 9, negative 16, positive, negative, negative. Now just see, here both one negative and one positive, one negative and one positive, but here both of negative. When both numbers are negative, then you have to add both of these. 16 plus 9, 16 plus 9 means 25, and you write the symbol of negative. So answer is negative 25. जब दोनों नंबर नेगेटिव हो जाए, जब दोनों ही नंबर क्या हो नेगेटिव हो, then you have to add both of these. आपको दोनों को ऐड करना है, तो ऐड करने पर क्या आएगा 25, but symbol is always negative. Here also positive 16 plus positive 4, then positive is always positive, and 16 plus 4, answer is 20. Any doubt? This is the way to add the following integers. Okay, so take the screenshot and write it on notebook. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Okay, so next question, add the following integer on the number line. It means in this question also you have to add the integer, but add the following integer on number line. Means first you have to draw the number line, afterwards add the both of these. Okay, so first we will draw a number line. This is our number line. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6 and negative 7. So just listen to me. If our symbol is positive, then we will move in right hand side. We will move in right hand side, RHS. If our symbol is negative, then we will move to left hand side. Okay, अगर जो भी आपको नंबर दिया हुआ है सेकंड नंबर, which number? सेकंड नंबर. सेकंड नंबर का सिंबल अगर पॉजिटिव है तो राइट हैंड साइड की ओर मूव करना है, और अगर सेकंड नंबर का सिंबल जो है वो नेगेटिव है तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड की ओर मूव करना है. एनी डाउट? ओके, सो द फर्स्ट नंबर इज negative 6. फर्स्ट नंबर इज negative 6. वेयर इज negative 6? यस, दिस इज आवर negative 6. इट मींस वी आर हियर, मतलब हम यहाँ पे खड़े हैं. ओके, हम कहाँ खड़े हैं? negative 6 के ऊपर खड़े हैं. नाउ दिस सी second number is positive 4. So I told you, if positive number is there, then we will move in right hand side. And how much? 4. So count just 4 in right hand side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So your answer is negative 2. You have to write direct answer of this, but draw the number line. Just remember one concept. If our second number symbol is positive, then we will move in right hand side, and if our second number symbol is negative, then we will move in left hand side. Same here also, just see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7 and negative 8. Okay, so first number is positive 3. Then where is positive 3? Here. It means we are here. हम यहाँ पर हैं. Okay, the second number symbol is negative. So negative होने में क्या करते हैं? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में मूव करते हैं. How much? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is negative 5. So the answer of this addition is negative 5. Any doubt? I think this is too much simple. So rest two you can solve at your home, I think so. Okay, so the next two C and D is your homework. Don't ask again and again. I told you C and D is your homework. Okay, so take the screenshot and write in a notebook as it is. Okay, so that's two. Also you see here, that's C and D of the second one. Oh, homework नहीं करना याद है, देख लो आप एक बार. Just first we will draw the number line. Number line draw. Okay, so the number is 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5, and negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. So first number is negative 5. So we are standing on negative 5. Okay. So now the second number is 9, but symbol is negative. Symbol is negative. Sorry, one mistake happened. Just in one. Just see. You have to write 0 here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because negative number is negative till negative 9 are there. So we will write here negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, negative 13, negative 14, negative 15, and negative 16. So now you see negative 5. So we are here on negative 5. Afterwards negative 9. Symbol is 9. Sorry, negative. So we will move to left hand side. And how much? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So our answer is negative 14. So the third C answer is negative 14. Same here also. Just see, both are positive. So 0, negative 1, negative 2, and negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So first number is positive 7. It means we are here. And after second number is positive 3. So we will move to right hand side. And how much? 3. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is positive 10. Okay. So this is the way to solve adding on the number line. So take the screenshot and write it on the note. So let's see next question, third one. Subtract the following integers on the number line. It means you have to subtract the following integer on the number line. आपको इनको number line के ऊपर क्या करना है? Subtract करना है. Okay. So same way as the second one. Second में जैसा किया था वैसा का वैसा ही इसका भी way है. So just see. First we will draw the number line. But remember one thing. First number is positive 19. So you have to draw only positive number. Negative number no need to draw. So 0. But you can draw. You want to draw the negative 1 and negative 2 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Okay. So just see 19. So 19 is there. We are standing here. अब अपन कहाँ पे खड़े हैं भाई 19 के ऊपर खड़े हैं. Okay. So the second symbol is negative. So when negative symbol is there, then we will move in left hand side. How much? 11. So just count. Left hand side is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our answer is positive 8. This is the way to solve this type of questions. Okay. Same way as like second one. Okay, negative 16 and negative 5. Just see. Negative 16 is there. Okay, so no need to draw positive numbers. So 0, 1, and 2. Now if you want negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, negative 13, negative 14, negative 15, negative 16, negative 17, negative 18, negative 19, negative 20, negative 21, and afterwards negative 22. negative 22. Okay, so first number is negative 16, so we are here on negative 16. Okay, and the second symbol is negative. When negative symbol is there, then we will move in left hand side. And how much? 15. You have to move left hand side in 15. So 15 is not here, so again you have to make one more line is there. After that you have to make one more. Negative 22 is there, so negative 23, negative 24, negative 25, negative 26, negative 27, negative 28, negative 29, negative 30, negative 31, negative 32, negative 33, negative 34. Now just see count. Negative 16 is here, so we have to count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So our answer is, your answer is negative 31. Okay, ये जो बहुत छोटा है इस कारण से मैंने इसको आगे तक इंक्रीज किया यहाँ तक, तो आपको एक ही पेज पर ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है हॉरिजॉन्टली. ओके, if horizontal not space is there, then you can draw vertically. Okay, but this is the way. Any doubt? Okay, take the screenshot and write in a notebook. यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं था आगे, इस कारण से मैंने इसको आगे ऐसे ड्रॉ किया है. Okay, but you have to draw on vertically or horizontally. Okay. Okay. Okay, one mistake is happened in that V1. I wrote here that there are 16, but the number is negative 6. So just see one more time. Number is negative 6, but I wrote here that negative 16. So you just ignore that question there. Just see here. Again you have to draw a number line. Negative 6 is there. So 0, 1, 2. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12. Okay, so negative 13, negative 14, negative 15, negative 16, negative 17, negative 18, negative 19, negative 20 and negative 21. Okay, so the first number is negative 6, so we are here on negative 6. Afterwards second symbol also negative, so we will move in left hand side. And how much? 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. It means negative 21. So our answer is negative 21. This is the way to solve this type of question. Okay, here also negative 12 and negative 2 negative are there. So just simplify it first. Negative 12. Negative is always positive and 13. Negative 12, but a negative is always positive. So now draw a number line. Negative 12 is there. So 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11, negative 12 and negative 13 and negative 14. So first number is negative 12. So we are here on negative 12. Second number symbol is positive. When positive symbol is there, then we will move to right hand side. How much? 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So our answer is 1. What is the answer? Answer is 1. Just see here. In this question there are two negative symbols. So negative is always positive. Okay. So next one, 0 minus 52. 0 minus 52, it means we have to draw a number line till 0 and afterwards negative 52. So first number is 0. So 0, 1 and 2. So negative 1, negative 2, negative 6, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative till कहाँ तक ड्रॉ करना है आपको? negative 52 तक ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 0, सो वी आर हियर ऑन 0. आफ्टरवर्ड सेकंड नंबर सिंबल इज negative 52, so we will move left hand side. Negative symbol is there, so just count 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you will get the negative 52. So your answer is negative 52. Here is no space for this question. Here the board is not enough space, So I can't draw till negative 52. So you have to draw the number line till negative 52 like that, negative 11, negative 12, till negative 52. Afterwards, use this method. Then you got your answer negative 52. End out. So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay. So next question. Using the number line, write the integers which is. Using the number line, write the integers which is 6 more than 4, 5 more than negative 7, 8 less than 3, 2 less than negative line. It means you have to use the number line. Already you done second one and third one. So same as second one and third one, like this question is there. So first you have to draw the number line. Okay. First number is 6 more than 4. 6 more than 4 मतलब 4 से जो है 6 ज़्यादा. So first we will draw this number. So 0 all positive is there. So you do like this. 0, negative 1 and negative 2. If you want to draw more, then you can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 more than 4. So we are standing on 4. अब मैंने बताया था if positive symbol is there, then we will move to right hand side. If negative symbol is there, then we will move to left hand side. But here written more than का मतलब होता है ज़्यादा. It means positive. So we will increase in right hand side. More than means right hand side. How much? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is 10. So answer of the first question is 10. Any doubt? Okay. Same as next question. Second number is negative 7. So till negative 7 we have to draw 0, 1, 2 and 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. So we are standing on negative 7, negative 9 also you can write. More than 5. More than means right hand side. How much? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer of the second question is negative 2. The answer of the second one is negative 2. Next, 8 less than 3. So 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5 and negative 6 and negative 7. So second number is 3. So we are standing on 3. Less than means come right left hand side. More than means right hand side. Just see properly. More than means right hand side. Less than means left hand side. Okay. So less than means left hand side. How much? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So your third answer is negative 5. Third answer is negative 5. Any doubt? Then last till negative 9 you have to draw. So 0, 1, 2 and 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10 and negative 11. You are standing on negative 9. Where? Negative 9. Now less than 2. Negative 12. Less than means left hand side. How much? 2. 1, 2. So the fourth answer is negative 11. The answer of the fourth one is negative 11. So this is the way, like as second and third and fourth are same question. So you just take the screenshot and write in a notebook. So next, today's last question. I think you feeling bored. So today's last question, fifth one. Okay, so time taken too much. So today's last question. Next we will complete it in next class. Okay. So solve the following integers. It means you have to solve the following integers. You are given the integer, you have to solve. Just take care about the only symbol. Positive 172. Negative and positive is negative. मतलब 172 में से 81 को आप subtract कर दो. 172 minus 81, then 2 minus 1, then 1, 17 minus 8, then 9. So answer is 91. But positive is bigger, so positive 91. Any doubt? Next here also negative 14, positive, sorry, negative positive always negative. So started I told you if two negative number is there, then you add both of these, but symbol is negative. So the first number is also negative, second number is also negative. So you add both of these, 520 plus 14, then 4, 3 and 534. 534, but the symbol is always negative. If two negative number is there, so you have to add both of these, but the symbol is negative. Okay. So here also 540 negative of means multiplication. Negative is always positive, and 420 both are positive. So simply you add 420. So 0, 6 and 9. The answer is 960, positive 960. Here also negative 25, negative. Multiplication is always positive. One positive and one negative. So subtract 80 minus 25. 10 minus 5 then 5. 7 minus 2 then 5. So answer is 55. But positive number is bigger. So answer is positive 55. Okay. So this is the way to solve the following questions. Okay. So take the screenshot and write in a notebook. So today's enough for today's class. So if you face any problem, you can have any handout, then you can ask on Google Meet. I will share the link, so you can ask them. Okay, thank you.